Welcome to Monterey. Single ladies are out for a relaxing weekend in Monterey.
For Mr. Right.
Alright, take 2 of our intro. Welcome to Monterey. You see those? Those are not rocks, they're sea lions.
I thought they were rocks.
All by yourself. Don't wanna be. Trying to pick what we're gonna eat for lunch today. So where we going? The discounted. The one with the discount, with the free calamari, and then the appetizer free soup. Don't tell anyone we're cheap. Okay. All right. Lunch with a view, guys, right? Yeah. Nice view. Check out our view. This is our lunch view. Not bad. Let's start with some calamari. This is our lunch. We are sharing all of this. All the single ladies are feeling like sharing today. Yes, let's take a picture of it, please. Let's eat. Just done eating. How do you rate the place? Okay?
Okay. It's like 5 out of 10.
I like the 5 out of 10. Chupini clam. Linguine.
Why do I have chupini on my brain?
Clam linguine was good. I like that one.
The calamari.
And the rice is really good.
I like the rice.
Alright, that's our review of the place. Yes. Go see down there.
Under the boardwalk, down by the...
We're gonna take a tour around it. Oh no, this is as far as it goes. And it's moving. We're gonna... It's moving. It's a platform. Huh? I know. It's moving. I'm getting seasick just standing on that thing. I'm not an ocean kind of person because I'm getting sick just walking on this thing. Oh my god, not a good idea, not a good idea. What? Going to our hotel room for the night. This is the view from our hotel room. Yes, it is. You can see the ocean. This is our room. Let's take a tour of our room. This is it.
Let me act natural. Let me act natural.
One bed here. Another bed here. Hi. This is the bathroom. Basic. Okay. That is the whole room tour. That is it, guys. That is the room tour. And this is our view. Let's check out the bike rental for tomorrow. Yeah, it's over here. Checking out the beach in Monterey. Welcome to Monterey. Welcome to Pacific Grove. ever. Not right? We're doing a little bit of rock climbing on our trip here. Yep. And we're chillaxing on the rocks. Let's find our spot. We're up here. Check out the view. Chilling up here. Sunset on the rocks. Check out the other side of the rocks. You know, you need to go to the other side now. And we're at the other side. we went so far. I have no idea what this one's doing. All that effort to go over there to take a picture of our feet. How cute the sea otter is chilling. How cute. Just chilling in the rocks. Yes, we are. Guys, it's okay. Life is not that hard. More stuff. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Such pretty views. That we're just chilling, relaxing, watching the sunset. After dinner, we're gonna walk to dinner. It's only a 9-minute walk. How long? 10-minute walk. Okay, we're gonna have Thai today. Where's the place we're at? Going to?
Thai cuisine.
Thai cuisine. Thai something. We're having Thai for tonight. Yep.
We're Asian like that.
We Asian like that. We travel.
And we ate Asian
And
food.
we always eat Asian food.
Weird, right?
You know you're Asian. You know. We're Asian, so it's not weird. Sticky rib. Let's eat. Sticky rib. Friday night, we're in Pacific Grove. This is what we do. On vacation, relaxing, ending the night with face masks. Ending the night with face masks. Whoa. I'm about to put mine on. We came home early to do this.
The hotel early to do this.
It's only 10.
Big vacation.
This is how we vacation. Yep, this is me with my face mask on.
Doing face mask now.
Yeah.
I am a polar bear.
Polar bear. What are you? Penguin. Oh, she's a ghost. Okay, good night. This is our first night here. This is our relaxing vacation. This is what we do.